Hey guys, welcome back to another scripting tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I will teach you guys how to switch up your death sound. And it is very easy. So go into your starter player, make sure your game is running. Go inside your starter player, go to StarterPlayerScripts, and you will see something called Roblox Character Sounds. Now this is your default character sound supplied by Roblox. And what we're going to be doing is just rewriting it. And this is automatically placed inside of your character. If we go into game.players, we will have the same thing in player scripts. We go to game.players, we go into player scripts, which is starter player scripts, but for our specified player, and then we'll have our specified Roblox character sounds. We'll also have a player module, which has our camera and our controls, which is why I can move and why I can move my camera. So let's just copy this. So we're going to copy that camera script, that character sound script, and then we're going to stop our game. Now in order to rewrite the default character sound script, we're going to put it inside of the player's scripts, okay? And then we can call this sounds. We don't have to, but it just looks better. It looks more readable. So we can just call it sounds to tell Roblox that we're going to be rewriting it. You should not call this anything but sounds or Roblox character sounds, because you're not going to be telling Roblox that it's a sound, and you're going to be receiving two sounds. So if you call this Bobby and it's the sound script, it's not going to work. You're going to receive two sound scripts. So make sure you call this sounds. And yeah, inside of this you can see all of your sounds. And right over here is where you get your sound data. Okay, they updated it to have type checking, which is just to be more readable. This right here is not really necessary. Like, it's just for readability, but I don't think it's better. It's just like, I don't know, it just makes it look better. But this is your sound data table, and then right over here you have your death sound right here, die, and it would be this thing. So let's just get a random sound from the toolbox, and we'll just switch it in right now. So we're gonna search up sounds, and we'll search up new death. Search it up. Alright, we're gonna be the Mario death sound. So we're gonna get the death sound ID. So let's go into properties, get the sound ID, copy it, and then we're gonna paste it inside of these quotation marks. So let's just paste it right there. There you go. We just rewritten it. And you can rewrite anything, the climbing, the died, but like this is pretty much gonna be syncing in the sound with your footsteps. So if you change the footstep sounds, just realize that it's not going to be on par with each step. Your footsteps are not going to be matching with your movement. So you're going to have to change that up by changing the playback speed of the new running sound if you want a running sound per se. But now let's just run this so I can show you guys that it does work. And you don't have to keep the sound object. I just took the ID from there, forgot to delete it. That Super Mario sound. Alright, and so we're gonna be loading in right now, and we're just gonna kill ourselves, because that's the point of Roblox, to kill ourselves. Alright, just waiting for a sec. Alright, now let's just take a reset. Reset, enter. Oh, and because of that, as you guys can see, the respawn time is too low for me. So I'm just gonna make this, I'm gonna go on the server to change the respawn time, because the respawn time is too fast. So I'm going to change my respawn time. Now go to reset, enter. And yeah, it works. You just have to change your respawn time, make sure that respawn time is long enough for the sound to play. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. In order to change your respawn time, you have to stop your game, go into game.players, and then change your respawn time. Right now I set it to 0 for my recording videos, but you guys should be having 3 as your default. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you rewrite your default death sound. It is very easy. I don't know why many people have made separate scripts instead of just going inside the direct script and just changing the ID. Okay, it is very easy, and I recommend that you guys just follow this method, because it is the most correct way of doing it. You just have to go inside the script, the default sound scripts, and just change the sound data. That's pretty much it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.